I lost $10,000 trading crypto, then I discovered this one strategy that changed everything. Are you tired of your 9-to-5 job and looking for a way to make real income? Well, look no further because we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing cryptocurrency, the revolutionary digital currency that has taken the world by storm. And today, we're going to show you how you can make real income by trading cryptocurrency. The best part, you can do this from the comfort of your own home, with just a few clicks on your phone or laptop. Sounds too good to be true? Well, let us break it down for you. A person explains to start trading cryptocurrency, all you need is a computer or a smartphone and an internet connection. It's that simple. Next, you need to familiarize yourself with the market. Research and analyze different cryptocurrency options, their trends, and potential for growth. This will help you make more informed decisions while trading. Once you have a good understanding of the market, it's time to start trading. And with cryptocurrency, the possibilities for making real income are endless. You can buy low and sell high, trade between different cryptocurrencies, or even hold on to your investments for a long-term gain. The best part, the cryptocurrency market is open 24/7, so you can trade anytime, anywhere, at your convenience. And with the increasing acceptance of cryptocurrency worldwide, you can now even use it for your daily transactions. So not only are you making real income, but you're also contributing to the growth of this digital revolution. So what are you waiting for? Start trading cryptocurrency today, and unlock a whole new world of opportunities and potential income. And remember, the future is now, and it's in your hands. See you in the cryptocurrency market. Click the link below and start trading cryptocurrency now. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on how to make real income in the digital world. Happy trading!